If you want every email link you click in Firefox to open Gmail automatically, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to make Gmail the default mail app for Firefox in just a few simple steps. This is a great little browser setting if you use Gmail every day and want a faster, cleaner workflow when clicking email links on websites, documents, or apps. And before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Firefox on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the menu button. This is usually the three-line icon that opens Firefox's main options. From the menu, click Settings. That will take you into the browser preferences area where you can control how Firefox handles links, downloads, privacy options, and more. Now inside Settings, you'll see a search bar. Click that Settings search bar and type Mailto. This is the keyword Firefox uses for email links, so this is the fastest way to find the exact setting you need without scrolling through all the menus. After you type Mailto, you should see a result related to how Firefox opens email links. Next, click the drop-down menu next to Mailto. This drop-down lets you choose which application Firefox should use when you click an email address on a website. From the list of options, select Use Gmail. Once you choose Gmail, Firefox will remember that preference and use Gmail whenever you click a Mailto link. That means instead of opening a desktop mail app, it should send you straight to Gmail in your browser, making it much easier to reply, compose, and manage your mail online. After selecting Gmail, you can close the Settings tab, and you're all set. From now on, email links in Firefox should open Gmail by default. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful browser and software tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.